India has a new rural job scheme. President Draupadi Murmu has given her assent to the VBG Ramji bill, formally paving the way for the government's move that replaces Manrega. So what changes in the rural job scheme? Manrega guaranteed 100 days of work. The G Ramji bill raises that to 125 days. But funding shifts. Earlier, the centre paid 100%. Now it's 60% centre and 40% states. Work availability also changes. Manrega offered year-round jobs. The new law bars work during peak farm season, about 60 days. There's faster wage payment from 15 days earlier to 1 week now. And control shifts to Delhi. Earlier, states planned the work. Now the centre decides allocations. The showdown over Manrega shows no signs of ending, with the Congress launching a fierce attack on the BJP, accusing it of dismantling Mahatma Gandhi's legacy. The BJP, meanwhile, hit back strongly, accusing the Congress party of having no development plans, calling its protests a political drama to hide its failures, and also claiming that the party only seeks votes in the name of Gandhi.
पहले की जो योजना थी मनरेगा, उसमें केवल एक साल में 100 दिन का रोजगार मिलता था। हमने तय किया प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में, प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ ने, कि अब 100 नहीं 125 दिन की रोजगार की गारंटी देंगे, 125 दिन की। तो इस पैसे से केवल मजदूरी नहीं, गांव के विकास का काम सुनिश्चित किया जाएगा, क्योंकि विकसित गांव होंगे तो प्रधानमंत्री का संकल्प विकसित भारत का पूरा होगा। गांव के बिना विकसित भारत बन नहीं सकता।
It's a very sad day that a program which was named after the father of the nation and which gave livelihood to the most marginalized people of this country, particularly women, is being dismembered. Not only have they changed the name, which is an affront to the father of the nation, they have rejigged the entire architecture of the scheme by which they are shifting the financial burden to the states. As it is, the states don't have the resources, and because they don't have the resources, this program will die a natural death.